Welcome to the BOM feature walkthrough video. Here, you will learn how to manage BOMs with ease and efficiency. Whether you're creating a list of parts, uploading an existing BOM, or downloading it for offline use, the Arrow.com BOM feature simplifies the process, saving you time and effort. Let's explore how you can make the most of this powerful tool. To begin, let's navigate to the BOM tool. You can access directly through the View My Account option. Once inside Account Details, make sure to scroll down to find the BOM option. Inside the BOM tool, you'll find a range of options. Let's take a look. One of the key features of the BOM tool is the ability to create a list of parts quickly and easily. To do this, navigate to the Enter Part Number section. Here, you can type in or paste part numbers directly into the input field. Each part number should be entered on a new line. You can use either manufacturer or customer part numbers. Once all items are entered, click Submit to view price and availability information. This feature is perfect for quickly generating a list of parts for quoting and purchasing. On the other hand, if you already have a list of prepared parts, you can upload it directly within the BOM tool. To upload a list of parts, prepare an Excel or CSV file with no more than 1,000 lines. Drag and drop the file into the upload area or click the arrow to select a file. Once you upload your Excel or CSV file, the BOM tool will take you to the mapping page. Start by selecting the row where your data begins, especially if your file has a header row. Next, map your columns to the appropriate fields, such as customer part number or manufacturer part number, which is required to proceed. Mapping a quantity column is recommended for accurate results. The BOM tool allows you to map up to 3 different quantities if your file includes them. You can also map a target price column if you have specific pricing goals for your parts. If your file includes customer part numbers that aren't already in the system, the BOM tool can automatically create them for you. Simply select Yes when prompted, and the tool will handle the rest. After mapping, review and edit details like quantities, part numbers, or missing information, click View BOM to see the results, including pricing, availability, and other key details. Once uploaded, the tool will validate your data, flagging any discrepancies or missing information, allowing you to review and edit your BOM. To easily navigate to your BOMs, you need to look for the My BOMs section within the BOM tool feature. Here, you can click on any BOM you would like to review. The BOM results page will provide detailed information, including price, stock, lead time, and notifications about mismatching, giving you a comprehensive overview of your parts to help you address any issues and plan your next steps effectively. You can also use the filter and search options to simplify your view. To download the results, customize the columns you want to include, such as date code, country of origin, and ECCN. You can also save your preferences for future downloads. Then, click the Download button to download your BOM. When you download your BOM results to Excel, the file includes 4 different tabs, each providing specific information. Best Buying Options. This tab displays the best parts based on your uploaded data and the quantity you selected. If you want to see additional information, including packaging and MOQ, you can go to the All Buying Options tab. There's also the Crosses tab, which lists alternative parts with detailed information. And BOM Details, providing a summary of your uploaded BOM. The BOM tool also makes it easy to quote and purchase parts directly from your BOM. Use the checkboxes to select the parts you want to quote or buy. You can select individual parts or all parts listed in the BOM. The tool will automatically add matched parts with pricing to your quote cart or shopping cart. To proceed, click the Quote BOM or Buy All buttons. If you've selected only certain parts, the options will change to Quote Selected or Buy Selected. Finally, click on the Buy option to go straight to the items added in your cart. Or click the Quote option to review all the details about your requested quote. Make sure to check for accuracy before completing your purchase or generating a quote. Inside the BOMs, you will also find different features, such as the Add Part option. Download. Duplicate for creating a copy of the BOM. Share your BOM. Ask an engineer if you would like help or have a question about your BOM, and there's also an option to auto-round to MOQ if needed. This option adjusts your quantities to meet the supplier's minimum order quantity. Use this when your requested quantity is below the MOQ to align with supplier requirements. Start using the BOM tool today to simplify your workflow and enhance your productivity. Thank you for watching this walkthrough of the Arrow.com BOM tool.